The Trump administration has recently announced new rules for expedited removal, process of apprehending people and removing them from the United States without a judge or a hearing. What are those rules and when are they effective? Watch this video and I'll tell you more. In this video, we'll talk about the expansion of the process of expedited removal and how it's going to impact people that are currently unlawfully present in the United States less than 2 years. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that bell and get notified for every new video we release. And also, I'd love for you to follow me on Instagram, where I post a little bit of a different content, and I'd love for you to engage with me there. And also, we recently released a free ebook about the 5 ways people can immigrate to the United States. And if you want to learn and expand your knowledge, make sure you download that free guide. It's right here, the link at the bottom of this video. So let's dive into the new rules about expedited removal and how it may impact you if you're currently unlawfully present in the United States. So first of all, what is expedited removal? Expedited removal essentially is a fast-track process to deport somebody without a hearing or a judge. And the new rules have been effective since July 23rd, 2019. But before that, the way it works is that if you are apprehended within 100 air miles of a border and you've been in the US less than 14 days, then you're not eligible for a judge or hearing. If CBP or ICE apprehend you, they catch you going to work or driving or whatever, they are able to expeditiously remove you by making you sign a piece of paper and sending you back. What the new rules are going to do is they expanded it to say, first of all, if a person is unlawfully present in the US less than 2 years, and they can be present anywhere in the US, not just within the 100 miles of the border, but anywhere in the US. So that means that if there is a raid, and ICE will raid a place of employment or a house, or they get a tip, if they catch somebody there and they determine that they have been in the US less than 2 years, they can essentially process them for expedited removal. Now, what does it mean for a person that is here in the US? It is really important to document your stay. So if you came here more than 2 years ago, if you have any plane tickets or any bills you paid, or you've been to the doctor or anything like that, to document your presence in the US to be more than 2 years, it will be essential for you to have that, because again, once a person is apprehended, it is going to be very difficult to convince ICE to keep them here unless there is proof that you don't meet those new rules. So again, the burden of proof, as they said it, is on the applicant, on you, to show that you've been here more than 2 years, and at least that, if you had a visa before and you expired, at least have all these documents to show that you came here somehow legally. And if you are not legal in the US, at least prove that you've been here more than 2 years, and therefore at least you may have a chance for a hearing before a judge. So once again, those are things that are now currently effective, and this is all part of a grand program of this administration to try to apprehend people that are currently in the United States illegally. You all heard about all these raids that they plan to do several weeks ago in several cities. Those are raids that were somehow leaked, but essentially, I think it's all planned. The idea is to create this mass fear everywhere, that people know that if you're not here in the United States in legal status, you better be careful, because the government is coming after you. So once again, to summarize, expedited removal rules are now in effect, new rules. So it no longer matters if you're 100 miles around the border or if you've been here less than 14 days. Now they're looking for people that have been here less than 2 years without status. So again, make sure that you are obviously very careful. Make sure that you document your stay in the US. And I would highly recommend that anybody that is in the United States without lawful status to consult an immigration attorney. So if you're married to a US citizen or you're planning to get married, at least you have some idea as to your rights and what you can do in case of apprehension by ICE or CBP. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Once again, make sure you share with a friend, subscribe to our channel, and download our free ebook that we prepared just for you. And we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, and have a beautiful day.